Hi, I'm Brett, and welcome. I'm about to show you how we can help small business owners save almost 5 working weeks a year in lost time. That's around half a day every week. How? Well, these days, smart business owners like you are interested in more than just basic websites. You might want an online shop too, or email marketing capabilities. You'll want contact forms that notify you when they're submitted, and a customer database to store your contact information. Unfortunately, doing all of these things is a nightmare. You'll need multiple separate tools, all of which have significant cost and require a lot of time to manage and configure separately. That's where we come in. We've got one central console that replaces 6 disconnected tools. Built from the ground up for business owners by a business owner, our online business system gives you everything you need to run your online business. So stay tuned for the next couple of minutes while I show you why you should be running your online business with us. The first thing you'll notice is that this system is built for business. When you log in, you won't see a list of web pages or settings you don't need to change. You'll see a business dashboard like this. Your dashboard gives you a range of key metrics such as visitors, online sales, web form submissions, and your newsletter subscriptions. Directly below that, you'll see a list of customer actions that your customers have taken on your website. You'll see that Bob submitted an inquiry form, Lawrence has opened his newsletter, Brett's made a purchase in your online shop, and Jeremy submitted an inquiry form. This means that you can keep your fingers directly on the pulse of your online business so that you know what's happening when it's happening. You've also got a bird's eye business view that tracks your business performance in a single, simple page. So now that you've seen the power of an integrated online business system, let me show you how easy it is to get things done. Firstly, let's look at editing your website using Sitewalk. Sitewalk is an easy-to-use, point-and-click approach to editing your website. You simply select the content you'd like to edit, click to edit it, and then add your new content. Click Save and Publish, and that change has been made to your live site. Now, let's exit Sitewalk. And remember that this system is more than about just editing your website easily. We can manage your online shop under the Ecommerce tab. Here's my list of products, in case I want to change a name or a price of one of my products. Under the Marketing tab, I can create and send email newsletters to my customer database. Speaking of customer databases, I've mentioned our built-in customer database, or CRM system, once or twice now. So how does that work? Well, every time someone interacts with your site, a customer profile is created and their actions recorded. You're seeing this in action on your dashboard. When I click through on a customer, I see their details and their own personalized mini feed of this customer's actions. I can also see all their past web form submissions as cases, and their orders are recorded as well. I can also see their subscriptions to email newsletters in secure areas, and can even see a list of the newsletters they've received in the past. So, without any programming and no extra effort, I've got a customer database built right into my website, capturing leads and getting to know my customers. But this is just the beginning. Having a central console for your online business allows you to take advantage of the natural collaborations between business functions, such as marketing and e-commerce, or your website's web forms and your CRM system. These collaborations should be easy, but without an integrated system, it can be tedious and frustrating. For example, let's imagine I wanted to drill into my e-commerce orders database, grab the customers that have spent over $100, and add them to a targeted email list. Usually, this would take multiple systems and hours of work, but with your online business system, it only takes minutes. I simply go to Reports, and then click Customer Reports. I'll create a new customer report based on the orders my customers have made. Click to select. Then I'll choose the data I need, so their name and price, and I'll also choose their email address. In the next step, I simply enter my desired price, and I want to make sure I select everyone who has spent over $100. And then I generate the report, and here's my list of people. Now with just a click of a button, I can add those customers to a campaign list, and I'll add them to Hey Big Spender. And now I can send those customers an email newsletter to remind them to come back to my store. And that's a whirlwind tour of your online business. As a business owner, you want to focus on results, not on wrestling with technology. Taking your business online doesn't need to be a nightmare. You don't need to be struggling with 5 or 6 separate systems or pay exorbitant software and hosting costs. Whether you've got a website already and need something more, or you're just getting started, this is the premier system for serious business owners to take their business online. Thanks for your time, and I hope to see you soon.